Hello guys, welcome back with a new recipe. Today we are going to make garlic naan. Garlic naan is an extremely popular Indian flatbread recipe made with plain flour and garlic. It is generally made of wheat flour but can also be made with plain flour or maida, which is known as naan bread. So let's see the ingredients. These are the ingredients which we may require for making the garlic naan. So let's go to each of them. First, we may require 3 cups of flour. Then we may require coriander leaves. Then we may require nigella seeds. Then we may require some garlic. Then we may require some oil. Then we may require 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we may require 2 teaspoons of sugar, an egg. Then we may require 3/4 cup of milk and some salt for taste. So first step is to add some salt into the flour, and then we will be adding our baking powder, that is 1 teaspoon, into the flour with sugar, that is 2 teaspoons, and let's mix it well. Make sure that everything combines properly. Then we will be adding some oil and mixing it well using our hands. So let's mix it well. The oil should mix with the flour properly. Then we will be adding an egg into the flour and then again mixing it. Mix it properly so that the egg combines with the flour well. So after mixing it, we will be adding our 3/4 cup of milk, and then again we will be mixing it. Keep mixing it continuously. So now our dough is ready. Let's keep it for rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now we can start making our garlic naan. So first, let's make a small ball of dough, and then let's make it an oval or round shape, the same way like how we make rotis. Now we will be taking water, and then we will be spreading it over the naan dough. Make sure that the side in which you spread the water will be the base of this naan. Now let's flip it and let's add our nigella seeds over it, and then we will be adding some garlic and some coriander leaves. So after adding all, we can very lightly press it. So now we will be adding some butter over the naan. So let's spread the butter over it. Now we will be transferring it to a pan. Make sure that you don't cook it over a non-stick pan. Now let's press at the corners of the naan so that it sticks to the pan. And now we will be flipping it and heating it. This way we have to cook this naan. Hold it for about 1 minute, or you can hold the pan in this way unless you see a nice golden brown color over it. So now you can see a nice golden brown color over our naan, and it's done. So this was a way of making our garlic naan. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye.